Good morning, students. In our last class, we have completed chapter 1, networking concepts. And today I am going to send you one video for revision, clear all the points. And today I am going to send you worksheet 3. Question number 1 to 5 we have done from book. Now I will give you some extra questions of chapter 1. Do these questions in your copy very neatly and be regular in your studies and send it to me regularly. Okay. Now question number 6. What is network security and explain its general level of network security. Network security means protecting data and resources from any unauthorized access. It is the most important aspect in computer networking. There are two general levels of network security. Number 1, login security. In this we can give a unique login name and password. Second, it is rights security. It is based upon your username. You are given rights like read-only access or read-write access or no access at all. Next question, explain the types of network. First is PAN, personal area network. It is mainly created for an individual. It is used for communication among devices such as laptop, mobile phone, PDA or smartphone. Second, LAN, local area network. In LAN, two or more computers and peripheral devices are connected with a small area such as room, office building or campus. Number 3, MAN, metropolitan area network, is the largest network that land it is spread across the city. It covers the city. It is called metropolitan. Next, WAN, wide area network. This kind of network connects two or more computers located at distant places. Now question number 8. What is the use of hub or switches? We need an interface through which the computer can be connected and the data can be sent and received. This function is performed by hub or switches. Next question. What is intranet? It is a term which refers to a computer network restricted to an organization. Next question number 10. What is Bluetooth? It is a wireless technology that is used to interconnect mobile phone, computer, printer using short range of wireless connection. Next question, what is protocol? Protocols are certain set of rules that determine how data should be transferred over network, compressed, presented on the screen and so on. Okay, now 6 to 11 questions you have to do in your copy. These are extra questions. Okay, in next class we will do next chapter. Till then, goodbye.